If you want to see how I achieve this perm rod set on my hair, stay tuned, and while you're at it, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I'm starting out on stretched out hair. I had blow dried it a few days prior, but I wanted to try some different styles before I actually had to wash my hair again. I sectioned my hair into 3 parts and started working my way from back to front. Now, it was definitely time for a trim, I know, but I haven't gone to my hairstylist in a minute and I refuse to do it myself unless my hair is straight. My hair also was on the dry side, hence me using the TGIN and oil combo. You don't have to do that if your hair is already moisturized, but that blow dryer dried my hair out, honey, so we had to put that moisture back in there. Taking that first section, I'm going to take my mousse and rake it through the hair. I'm low-key detangling it at the same time, so when it's time to unravel and separate them, they separate a little bit easier. Then starting from the root, I'm going to twist and wrap my hair all the way down to the end and keep doing that until I am finished with my whole head, which took me about like an hour or so. This mousse isn't my favorite product to work with on my natural hair, but it's all I had at the time. As you guys know, mousse just has a lot of alcohol in it, which is very drying, and my hair was already dry as it is, so it kind of negated the fact that I put moisture in it, but hey, it is what it is. Now, as far as the perm rods, I'm using ones of all different sizes. Usually I do the bigger ones in the back since you won't really see that as much. And then I save the smaller ones for like the middle and the perimeter so that the curls last a little bit longer. Once I'm finished, I use my diffuser to just make sure that we were right on track for it to be dry in the morning. Hey y'all, so it's the next day and I'm just gonna put some oil on my hands and take these perm rods out. You guys can look forward to new videos every Sunday, so make sure you have that notification bell pressed. Once I have all the rods out, I'm going to start separating these curls. Even though it's sped up, I am taking my time and recurling each piece that I separate with my hands. Now, I don't know if I'm the only one on this, but watching people take out their perm rod sets or flexi rod sets and like recurling it is just so calming to me. Thumbs up below if you agree, because I'm watching this back and I'm just like, wow. I want to like light a candle and like take a hot bath or something. I don't know. Now, I'm not gonna hold you. Once I started using the pick, it wasn't giving what I thought it was gonna give, okay? I was feeling very much easy like a Sunday morning versus body yaddy yaddy, you know? And you can see it. You can see it on my face and you can see it in my hair, so yeah. Y'all, I don't know if I'm feeling, I'm definitely not feeling this. This is making me want to big chop and just start all over because it's just not even. Like, I feel like I have a bald spot here. I don't know if that's just baby hair or what that's doing, but I don't know about this. I was so excited when I saw like the curls, but now I'm just like, and it's crazy because I thought I was gonna fall in front of my face a little bit more, but it didn't, and I didn't really like blend up here, so if you're noticing that, that's what that is. We're gonna see if we can salvage this some kind of way because I didn't do all that work to get this. Now this looks a lot better, y'all. So I put in some bobby pins to just make it lay flat, and then I blow dried it downwards motion so that it stays in this general direction. So it kind of is getting there. I don't want to play in it too much, and obviously like you can tell that I played in it a lot because the curls are not, some of these curls are not even there no more. So now this looks like a regular fro. I don't know what the back looks like. I'll show you guys the back. And hopefully it don't look too janky, but yes, ankle. Hello. But hopefully, you know, this isn't technically a fail, but it's not, you know, 100% there, if you feel what I'm saying. I normally don't wear my hair out like this, 9 times out of 10 I will put it up in a bun or like a high puff or something like that. I'm not gonna do that this time. I'm gonna let it breathe. I'm gonna let it, you know, do what it do in this natural state. I don't know, I'm kind of starting to feel it. Like this angle is making me feel it, but also I feel like I look like a little boy at the same time. So we shall see. Well, not we shall see. This is it. This is all we're doing for you today. I mean, I could try to put it up. My terrible habits is that I'll do a perm rod set, flexi rod set, twist out, etc. And then the first thing I want to do is put it up in a motherfucking bun. So kudos to me for trying out a new hairstyle or two, because the old Shayna would have been like, all right, y'all, that's it. The fro is it. It's either the fro or the bun, but I really tried, y'all. So thumbs this video up just for that. I don't know what it's giving because it's not getting cute to me. I think the next best thing is half up, half down. Not really feeling this half up, half down. So we've expended our options with this hair. I'm probably gonna put it up in a bun, I'm not gonna lie. Did all that just put it up in a bun, but it's whatever. Thank you guys so much for watching as usual. Let me know if you want any more natural hair style tutorials. This wasn't really the best one, but it's not a complete fail. Like I said before, it's not a complete fail. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know what else you want to see down below. Make sure you subscribe, thumbs this video up, share this video, of course, and I will see you in my next video, guys. Bye.